Assalamu alaikum, 5th class students. How are you? I hope you are fine. So let's we start today our lecture number 18 and our chapter is 7 and topic is the internet. In these lectures I am described to what is internet and why we use the internet. Simply I am described to internet is a wide area of network. In this network we can be communicate with each other within the less time. Okay students, and we can be purchase different things by using internet. Okay, that is we say that online shopping, and we can see the map any place in the world by using internet provide different facilities. The internet is a global network of computers. Okay students, internet provide the different facilities like that we can get the different informations about the different topics, and we see the different tutorials and videos by using internet on that different topics. We can be downloaded and uploaded educational video by using internet. So the user needs a telephone dial-up, DSL, or a gateway, a browser, and an internet service provider to access the internet. Okay students, in this picture you see the social media. Okay, in the next slides I am described to browser. What is browser? Students, you see the pictures in these slides. Different browsers here are located like that: Chrome, Opera, and Internet Explorer. That is a browser. Okay, when we need to connect to the internet we use the different types of browser. Okay, we use the mostly browser is Chrome. An internet browser enable us to connect to the internet and view information from all World Wide Web. Okay students, that is the most important part of when we connect to the internet. Okay students, by using browser you see the different types of applications and different other informations, and you can be access different websites like that, educational websites and any other websites as your desire. You can be accessed by using browser. Now we move to the next slides. Students, in these slides I am described to internet service provider. What is internet service provider? The ISP assign a username and password to each user to connect to the internet. Okay students, that is used in the different companies like that. The companies that maintain these computers are called internet service provider. Okay, when a user is connected to the internet he or she is said to be online show. Okay student, and when a user is disconnected from the internet he or she is offline. That is a process of internet service provider. Okay students, now we move to the next slide. I am described to social networking. Students, here I am described to just 3 types of social networking: Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Facebook and YouTube, you see the picture in these slides. By using WhatsApp we can be communicate with each other within the less time, and we can share our audio, videos, and different types of informations, and also we can share the application with each other by using WhatsApp, and we can send the voice notes by using these applications. That is most important types of social networking. In the social networking different peoples close with each other by communicating and share their ideas with each other within the less time. So that is most important. Student, today our lecture is end, so listen it carefully. Allah Hafiz.